So I wake up and this happens. I'm building Thor's Stormbreaker axe, and I never thought building a cosplay weapon would be this difficult. I can build a helmet, a whole helmet, but building an axe? Why? This is the second failed part of this print. This is the first where it just stopped mid-print, and so I cut the file up and started from here. But now, looks like I'm gonna have to do the same thing. Layer shift, support material maybe, wet filament. I just bought this from Micro Center. So, I don't know. Give me some suggestions in the comments below because I'm having a time. At least the good news is this piece kind of fits on there, and I'll just need to do some sanding and some other things.